Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to easily fix microphone not working on your Xiaomi REDMI Pad 2. So first, let's start off by trying to clean the microphone port with a non-metallic tool. I cannot do that right now because I do not have any tools with me, but basically use something non-metallic, because if you use something that has metal in it, then you can only damage the port even more, and that can cause many issues. So don't do that. Use the non-metallic tools, maybe a soft brush, air compressor, and then what you guys can also do is test the microphone in the either voice recorder app or on a call with somebody. So let me show you guys. Here we will have the recorder app. Now here we can record our voice, so we can go to recorder. Now click this little button now while using the app and allow the notifications. As you guys can see, now everything is being saved, so that's good. Now let's head over to another fix. Basically you need to check if you have the latest software. So go to About Tablet. Here click on Xiaomi HyperOS and it will check automatically if you have the latest version. So I do have the latest version. If you don't, then I recommend you guys updating it, because latest versions have a lot of fixes, and it includes the mic glitches, speaker glitches, headphones detection glitches, and much more. So that's it for this video. I hope it helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment. Bye.